my water leak was on my RIDGELINE. I was not under any wiring harness recall. I was a later 2017, but I realized I did have a water leak. I want to show you how I have a little video I'll attach too, but I took my garden hose and I sprayed it back and forth with no pressure right in this area, and the water poured in here and it poured down in here. And while that was pouring, I came in here and I removed both of these. You just pull up. If the little clippies come loose, it's okay. You're just gonna slide it right back into the slots right here. There's 2 yellow clips, and I put my hand right here. I lift up the carpet, and I just basically reached in there, and I felt water. I pulled the carpet up a little bit more, and I realized water was pouring in. So what the dealer did is they removed this seat, they pulled back this carpet, sanitized it, they unscrewed and removed this back wall, and they took off this tire and this fender inner well, and they diagnosed the leak is coming from a body seam from the factory that wasn't sealed correctly. And so they sealed it up, kept it overnight, water tested it the next day, and they said I'm okay. So anyways, and I did this 2 days before the truck went out of warranty. So I ran down there because I knew it'd be a pretty expensive repair from the dude, because it's a lot of labor involved. But anyways, it's good now, and just want to share that so everyone can, you know, it's very easy to check to see if you have a leak if you're still under warranty. Again, just pour some water back here with the garden hose and just check the carpet. It's best if you put your hand under the carpet, because the foam is kind of built in, so the water doesn't really seep up to the carpet very quickly. It would take a lot of water to do that. Okay. Do my water leak test. I'm going to show you the water that was pouring under here on the rear passenger side, and I'm going to show you how the garden hose was. I had my tonneau cover at the time. I took it off before I took it to the dealership, because I knew they would need better access to it. Pardon the mess, I was cleaning my bed liner. There. See it running down? And all I'm doing is just spraying garden hose, no pressure, just on the back of the truck.